Hello, welcome to Food Immerse, a channel where we not only teach you how to cook delicious dishes, but immerse ourselves in the history, culture, science, and beauty of food. I'm Lorraine, and I'm so excited for you to join me on this journey, exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. Spumo di Tonno. This Italian spread translates to English literally as tuna foam, but I would describe it as being closer to a light pate. I've been making this for years and originally found it in the late chef Michael Chiarello's cookbook, Casual Cooking, Wine Country Recipes for Family and Friends. He in turn got it from a chef who made it at a restaurant outside of Milan. I love this recipe because it is super quick and easy to make, keeps well in the fridge for up to 4 days, and is very flavorful. The key to this spread is the type of tuna used, which I will detail in the ingredients section. Every time I make this, someone asks for the recipe, so now I'm sharing it with all of you. Let's get cooking. To make Spumo di Tonno, you will need 1 can, approximately 7 ounces or 200 grams, imported olive oil packed tuna, drained, 2 teaspoons fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon butter at room temperature, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon heavy cream, and about a teaspoon of chopped parsley for garnish. A note on the canned tuna: it must be imported, preferably from Italy, and packed in olive oil. It doesn't have to be this Ozdemar brand, but it seems to be the easiest to find. Imported in olive oil is the highest quality, most flavorful canned tuna. Do not try to make this recipe with regular canned tuna. The only special equipment you will need is 1 food processor. Place the drained tuna in the food processor and then pulse a few times to break it up. Remove the feed tube and with the machine running, add the soy sauce, the balsamic vinegar, and the lemon juice. Next, add the room temperature butter with the machine still running. After the butter is incorporated, stop the machine and scrape down the sides. Add fresh ground pepper and salt to taste. Go easy on the salt because the soy sauce and tuna already contain salt. I use just a 1/4 teaspoon here. Blend again. Scrape down the sides once more. And taste for salt and pepper. When you are satisfied with the flavor, add the tablespoon of cream and process just enough to incorporate the cream. If you over-process at this point, the mixture could break. Scoop into a serving bowl. Garnish with chopped parsley and serve with crackers, crostini, or breadsticks. Sparkling wines are a perfect pairing for this tuna spread, and of course we want Italian Prosecco to pair with this Italian dish. You could serve the Prosecco on its own or add a fruity note by making a Bellini. Bellinis originated in Venice. The classic version uses peach nectar, but you can make them with any fruit nectar or puree. To make 1 classic Italian Bellini, you will need 2 ounces peach nectar, 1 champagne flute, and enough Prosecco to top, which is about 3 to 4 ounces. This cocktail could not be easier. Pour 2 ounces of peach nectar into a champagne flute. To open any bottle of sparkling, first remove the foil from the cap, then twist open the cage and gently remove it from the bottle. Place a towel over the cork, hold firmly, and twist the bottle with your other hand. The cork will pop out gently. Be sure to point it away from anyone. Top with Prosecco, give it a gentle stir, and serve. Thank you so much for joining Food Immerse and exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. If you make this dish, I would love to hear about it in the comments or shoot me an email. Until next time, cheers to good food.